Peter Galonsky, here is one of your candidates. He is, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Mr. Duval Anastasio Jr., 36 years old. I'm a licensed welding trainer, as well as I am also a competency assessor on shielded metal artwork.
Okay, so as I have shown you the email of Mr. Galonsky, I think you have read the first paragraph.
Yes, sir.
So what do you think that if you will interpret the first paragraph, what would you arrive on?
As I evaluated the first paragraph, I can say to myself that I am competent, that I am the one who is really what he needs in this.
Oh, that's good. Very confident.
Because on the first place, he looked for a well-rounded welder, and I can say to myself that I am a well-rounded welder. Because
okay,
to tell you honestly, as welding trainer for almost 2 years,
okay,
and at the same time more than 6 years in the fabrication industry, I can say that I have a lot of knowledge in terms of welding.
Excuse me, may I interrupt? So you mean you have worked in the fabrication industry?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, continue.
Okay, as what as he looked for. He looked for a welder who is able to read and understand, and I can also understand, and I know how to interpret drawings.
Okay.
Since as what as I have told you, I already have more than 2 years of experience in teaching. This is one of the subjects that I taught in my student. The another one is I also have a self-motivated and a good attitude too, since I am a born-again Christian.
Oh, you're not ashamed to be a Christian.
Yeah, of course. And in fact, I can also work with a minimum supervision. Even without the supervisor or the foreman, I can do the things absolutely.
I think you have said enough. What about the equipment to be used? Are you familiar with all the tools mentioned there? Can you read them?
Not at all, but
are you willing to use them, learn to use them?
Yes, sir. If I will be given a chance or opportunity to work for Mr. Galonsky's company, and I am very willing to learn how to use all the equipments and tools that he has.
Okay, I think that's enough.